Okay. In the previous class, we have learned about the definition of vitamins, the classification of vitamins. So, who can tell me the classification of vitamins? How the vitamins can be classified?
Sir, water-soluble vitamins and fat-soluble vitamins.
Fat-soluble
Okay.
vitamins.
The vitamins are classified into two, sir, hydrophobic and hydrophilic.
Okay. And hydrophobic is also known as?
Water-soluble.
Hydrophobic is also known as fat soluble.
Fat soluble. Very nice. So, and the example of fat soluble vitamins?
The B and C.
Wrong.
The A, D, E, K.
Sir, A, D, E, K.
A, D, E, and K. Deca. A, D, E, and K are the fat soluble vitamins. Okay. And the fat soluble vitamins are also known as hydrophobic.
Hydrophobic.
Hydrophobic, sir.
Means they hate water. That's why they love the lipids, that is the fats. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yesterday you have already learned about these vitamins A, D, E, and K. They were the fat soluble vitamins. Now today we are going to see water soluble vitamins. Okay. Water soluble vitamins are also known as hydrophilic.
Sir, hydrophilic.
Okay, very nice.
Hydrophilic.
Yeah.
Hydrophilic, sir.
Okay. So see the names of the water soluble vitamins. They are again divided into two parts. One is non-B complex and another is B complex. B complex is vitamin B and non-B complex is vitamin C. Can anybody tell me what is the another name for vitamin C? Okay, it's ascorbic acid.
Sir.
Ascorbic acid.
Ascorbic acid, sir.
So,
Yes, sir.
firstly, we are going to see about vitamin C. It's known as ascorbic acid. It acts as an antioxidant. What do you mean by antioxidant?
Sir, it slows down oxidation.
Very nice. And what is oxidation?
Addition of oxygen.
Very good. So addition of oxygen is known as oxidation, and antioxidant, the work of antioxidant is to restrict or to slow down the rate of the oxidation. So the vitamin C is used as an antioxidant. It is used as an anti-aging. Yeah. Part of an enzyme needed for protein metabolism, important for immune system health, aids in iron absorption. It also helps in the absorption of the iron. So vitamin C combines with the iron, okay, and then it can be absorbed in our body. All right. So what are the two main function of vitamin C? First one, it is an antioxidant. And second, it helps in the absorption of the iron in the body. All right. And third is it helps in increasing the immunity. All right. Now, where you can get the vitamin C, that is the ascorbic acid, in what type of food?
Citrus fruit, sir.
Citrus.
Vegetables and fruits.
Sir,
Okay.
orange.
Citrus fruit.
You can see the
Orange,
fruits
lemon.
over here. It's kiwi,
Orange or
red bell peppers, grapefruit, orange, broccoli, capsicum, etc. Okay.
Lemon.
Even in the tomatoes, potatoes, and papaya. Okay. Before moving to the next slide, I will show you the different names of the vitamin B complex. B1 stands for thiamine, B2 riboflavin, B3 niacin, B5 pantothenic acid, B6 pyridoxine, B7 biotin, B9 folate, B12 cobalamin, or also known as cyanocobalamin. Out of these, you need to study about thiamine, riboflavin, niacin, folic acid, and cobalamin. You don't need to, in your syllabus, there is not B5, B6, B7 is not there, all right? So firstly, we are going to start with thiamine, that is vitamin. Tell me, thiamine is vitamin
B1.
B1. Very nice. Thiamine. It's also known as vitamin B1. Okay, and it's found in all the nutritious food. Okay. Give me a second.
Okay, sir.
Sure, sir.
I don't know.
Okay. And the main function of vitamin B1, that is thiamine, is energy metabolism. Okay. And it is also important for the nerve function. All right. So what are the two main functions of thiamine? First one is the energy metabolism, and second one is the nerve function. About the rich sources, they are very rich. The very rich sources of thiamine is the pork products, liver, whole grains, cereals, legumes. Okay, and this thiamine can be easily destroyed by the application of heat. Okay, when you heat thiamine, it will be destroyed. Okay, so whenever you are cooking this thiamine, the means the food which contains thiamine, you should not heat it too much, because if you heat for a longer duration of time, what going to happen? It will be destroyed. All right. It also develops normal appetite. Means, what do you mean by develops normal appetite? Anybody can tell me?
It will increase the,
The
sir, it
means
will
increasing
increase
the
hunger,
hunger.
sir.
हाँ, hunger, भूख को बढ़ाता है. So if
Yes, sir,
thiamine
increasing the
will be
hunger.
there in your diet, it will increase your hunger. आपके भूख को बढ़ाएगा. Okay. और अगर इसका deficiency हुआ तो क्या होगा? Any idea?
It will decrease the hunger.
Okay. There is a disease known as beriberi. Okay. Beriberi. So first, vitamin B1, thiamine will result, deficiency will result in beriberi disease. All right. After thiamine, the next vitamin B2 is any idea? It's riboflavin. Riboflavin. Okay. It's also needed for the energy metabolism. It's needed for the normal vision and skin health. Okay. So now normal vision as well as skin health. The sources are milk products. You can see in the images, egg products, liver, broccoli, fish. All right. And if riboflavin is not in the required quantity, it will, what it will do? Painful purple tongue, greasy inflammatory skin, reddening of cornea. Now who can tell me what are the main functions of riboflavin? Three main functions of riboflavin.
Good for skin health.
First is energy metabolism, second is vision, and third is skin health. All right. And it is the rich sources are fish products, milk products, okay, cereals, breads, and leafy greeny vegetables. All right. After, so who can name the B1 is also known as? Vitamin B1 is known as?
Biotin.
B1 is known as thiamine.
Thiamine.
B2 is riboflavin. And what is B3?
Niacin.
Very nice. So B3
Niacin,
is
sir.
niacin.
Vitamin.
Again, the first function of niacin is energy metabolism, is again important for the nervous system, digestive system, and skin health. Okay. And what are the food sources you can see here? Meat, poultry, whole grain, asparagus, mushrooms. What is this vegetable known as?
Avocado.
Avocado. Okay. So these are the things which are rich sources of niacin. And if there will be deficiency of niacin, it will result in diarrhea and abdominal pain that you will see in the last. Vitamin B1 was thiamine, vitamin B2 was riboflavin, vitamin B3 is niacin. After that, folic acid.
Folic acid.
Okay, folic acid is like a, you can say that it's like a iron. Okay, it is given to the pregnant woman. Okay, function, part of an enzyme needed for making DNA. What do you mean by DNA?
Deoxyribonucleic acid.
Deoxyribonucleic acid and new cells, especially red blood cells. मतलब जो आपका डीएनए होता है और रेड ब्लड सेल्स होता है, दोनों को बनाने में फॉलिक एसिड का योगदान होता है. ओके, सो फॉलिक एसिड इज इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर मेकिंग ऑफ द डीएनए as well as the RBC. Okay, sources, green leafy vegetables, legumes, different types of seeds, orange juice, liver, and grains. And if folic acid is not in the required quantity in our body, what it will result in? It will result in megaloblastic anemia. Okay, megaloblastic. Manish Kumar.
मनीष म्यूट करो अपने आप.
भाई म्यूट करना.
What is this behavior, Manish?
है भी चला गया.
Okay, so I am moving to the next slide. Cobalamin, also known as cyanocobalamin. Okay, that is vitamin B12. Again, the function, it is for making of the new cells and now function. Okay, sources are meat, poultry, fish, seafood, eggs, milk products. So this one, this image you can see, there are all the things which are there in the image is animal based. Nothing is plant based. Yes, Tushar, you can ask.
Sir, in B12, beef is not there. Beef or pork.
Beef comes under the meat. Beef will come under the meat. Okay. So now you can see the deficiency. When vitamin E, vitamin A deficiency is night blindness, folate. So I have given the major deficiency disease caused by the different vitamins. Okay, vitamin C deficiency is scurvy, vitamin D is rickets, B6 is dermatitis, thiamine B1 is beriberi, cobalamin or cyanocobalamin is megaloblastic anemia. Folate is megaloblastic anemia. So folate is B6 and cyanocobalamin is B12. Okay. Now you can ask, you have any questions, you need to raise your hands and then you can ask the questions. Okay. Tushar.
Sir, can you slide previous?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
You need to write down.
No, sir, I have taken screenshot.
I will share this PPT on your group.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Please
sir.
share the PPT.
Yeah, today I am going to share.
Okay, sir.
सर
Hmm.
सर एग्जाम में डिफिशियंसी वगैरह पूछे जाएंगे क्या सर?
Yes, your syllabus is food sources, deficiency, and the functions.
ओके सर.
Okay, what functions? Functions, food sources, and deficiency. The deficiency is also known as significance.
यस सर.
So you need
Sir,
to.
I had one.
Yeah. Ask.
Sir, regarding exam, how many questions will be there in food production?
Food production?
मतलब कितना क्वेश्चन रहेगा सर एग्जाम में? जैसे
I don't know.
Practical.
I don't know regarding that. You will be notified regarding that. You are asking about the practical or theory?
थ्योरी एग्जाम
Practical,
सर
sir,
जो